Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm going to share with you an incredible product for those of you who, like me, find yourself in need of a smaller set of screwdrivers. You know, I have plenty of big screwdrivers in my toolbox and around the house, but whenever I find myself in need of screwdrivers for, let's say, my eyeglasses, small electronics, my kids' toys, I just can't find them or I don't have the right size in the house. So today I'm going to share with you an awesome product from Couture Tools. It's right here in this neat little handy strong case right in front of me. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Here's the durable case right here in front of me. When you flip it over, you're going to see it has all the specs and sizes of each screwdriver that's inside. Open it up here with a zipper. Feels like a very durable zipper, not going to break on me. Open it up and here we go. Got all the screwdrivers organized, 3 on one side, 3 on the other. Let's try and tighten my eyeglasses and see how it works. Got my glasses here with a smaller size screw, and go ahead and just hold the top and screw it down, which makes it really nice to be able to screw with one hand like that. So as you can see, it's a very nice set, and believe it or not, if you didn't notice, there are actually 2 colors in there, and the colors are so you know which ones are Phillips and which ones are the standard flathead, which makes it really nice when you're just going to grab something quickly on the go. And each of the tips of each of the screwdrivers is magnetic to hold on to any small screws rather than losing them on the ground or in the carpet, which I always wind up doing. The handles of these screwdrivers actually have a hexagonal design, you see here, which makes it so it won't roll on the table. Let's say you're working with a small device or a small product that's really kind of delicate. You don't want your screwdrivers rolling all over the place. So this makes it nice. They'll stay in place on the table as you grab each one that you need. Really a convenient feature. Overall, you're not going to find a better screwdriver set for smaller items like electronics and glasses, that kind of thing, than the Couture Tools set. This is a great set for anyone as a gift, like for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, whatever. This makes an incredible gift. I highly recommend this Couture Tools set. Go ahead and grab one off Amazon. You're going to be glad you did.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.